In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WordPress WP travel engine footer copyright for the year 25. If you're running a website and want to customize the copyright text in your footer, then stay tuned. We'll begin by diving into your WordPress dashboard. First, log into the WordPress dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and type in your domain.com/wp admin in the address bar. Once on the login page, enter your credentials to access your backend. Your dashboard is where all the magic happens, acting as the control center for your website. Now with your dashboard up, let's move on to the theme customization. Hover over the Appearance tab in the sidebar, then click on Customize. This will take us into the WordPress Customizer, a powerful tool that allows us to make changes to our site with a live preview. In the Customizer, navigate to the Footer section. Depending on your theme, you might see an option specifically for footer settings or copyright text. It's here you'll likely find the option to edit the text that appears in your footer. Go ahead and make your desired changes. Once you're happy with the new text, be sure to hit Publish to save those changes. This ensures that your updates get reflected on your live site. Next, for those using footer widgets, head back to the dashboard. Under Appearance, select Widgets. You'll see a range of widget areas. Click on the Footer widget area. Here, locate the text widget that contains the current copyright wording. Edit this text to reflect your new copyright information and click Save. Now, for those of you feeling adventurous or for certain advanced customizations, you might consider using additional CSS or PHP. Under Appearance, find Theme Editor, but proceed only if you're comfortable with coding. Within the theme editor, look for footer.php. Bear in mind, editing PHP files can break your site if not done correctly, so proceed with caution and always have a backup. Once you've located the copyright line in footer.php, carefully edit it to your preference and ensure you save the changes once finished. Finally, to ensure your changes are apparent on the front end, you'll want to clear any cached data. Navigate to the WP Engine section in the dashboard, go to Performance, and hit Clear All Cache. As a last step, refresh your site to see all the changes in action. This refresh ensures that any cached versions of your old footer get replaced with your newly customized one. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your WordPress WP travel engine footer copyright. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share any questions or feedback in the comment section below.